Welcome to Edsembli Human Resources and Payroll, an HRP solution purposefully built for education. Edsembli HRP manages all aspects of an employee's lifecycle, from hire to retire. In our last video, we looked at Edsembli's hire management features and the simple, step-by-step wizard available for onboarding new employees. Today, we are going to explore the Employee Spotlight, which provides a 360-degree view of the employee's record. Let's get started. Everything you need to know about an employee is available to you on one screen. All employee records are accessible from the Staff Management menu option. Users can choose between simple or advanced search options. Advanced Search offers 25 filter options that can be used to narrow your search results. For example, maybe I need to know all employees in the school who have their first aid. All search results can be exported to Excel. Plus, you can select one or multiple employees to work with through group actions. Now, in the Employee Spotlight, you will see a button to access each section of the employee record. Through our security settings, you can hide or display sections of the employee record based on the user's role. Each section will present additional options. Starting with Employee Information, you will see additional tabs for personal information related to the employee, including the ability to upload digital documents to be stored with the employee's record. Next is Seniority Service. Depending on the employee's type, seniority service can be calculated annually, monthly, or daily. A history of their seniority calculations can always be found here. You can also add previous out-of-country and province experience too. Position and Assignment keeps a history of all positions held by the employee. Benefits displays all benefits for the employee, dependents, and their coverage. Pensions provides everything you need to know about the employee's pension. Compensation lets you add new compensation, employee allowance details, and view the history of their salary and allowances. Add approved leaves lets you manage their requests. Terminating employees can be facilitated at a mass or individual employee level, with the option to extend salaries or benefits past the termination date. Last but not least, the Employee Development section allows you to track degrees, certifications, and any appraisal process the employee has been through. Tune into our next video where we will look at the Employee Self-Service Portal and how employees can be empowered to manage their own information, including absences, timesheets, and more. To find out more about Edsembli HRP for your school district, get in touch with an Edsembli HRP specialist today.